Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Welcome to the video. Going to walk through the trades, not only the trade I took this morning, but the trade that other live traders who were with me were offered the opportunity to do exactly the same. So as I came into the market early, as I normally do, I'm always looking to see, has the market left me any clues? And if it has, how can I use those clues to my advantage? Well, these Hawkeye wide bars here, guys, were the absolute home run for me. I want you to look very specifically. 615, strong buying, a little consolidation, follow through. Excellent, right? We get more buying, but we fall back. I have to keep this level now in mind. All right, so I just drop a horizontal ray there at the top. All right, and now I'm starting to look. When we come back and visit that level specifically again, what happens? We get even stronger buying, but failure to close above. Well, I gotta now watch that wick there and say, have I just perhaps created an area of supply? And if I have, I know that in the future, if we continue to work with this, there's a pretty good chance that every time we get strong buying into this area and an inability to close above it, that the market will likely go lower. So I shared this with a bunch of folks who were trading live money accounts, all right, at 8 o'clock in the morning, and you can see what happened, all right? Where's 8 o'clock? I'll show you exactly where I said this. I said, listen, if we cannot close above 78.08, the market should continue to sell off. All right, well, here's 8 o'clock, and you can see we sold off, I don't know, about 170 ticks roughly from the time I made that statement. I was able to confidently make that statement because the Hawkeye wide bars, the Hawkeye volume radar dots, and having a clear understanding of what these volume surges mean into an area with inability to go above means that what? We're likely to have a reversal. Okay, that's exactly what happened. The market banged against this level over and over and over again, and we were ultimately unsuccessful in getting through it. So here's our prior low. You can see that we, in fact, did push back up ever so slightly. Okay, this is a nice, clean, 3-touch trend line. All right, we kind of dipped in here. We came back up, and what happened? Well, we continued to fail, and we went much lower. We went much lower because I was able to understand what was happening right here. All these wide bars pushing into an area of supply and unsuccessful in going through. You would think with all this buying volume, we would be going higher. No, we weren't. And because I was able to identify this, traders trading live money accounts had an opportunity to take profit as much as a little over 170 ticks. So I'd like to teach this strategy to you, and in order to do that, I'm going to place a link below this video. I'd like you to join me in a training webinar where I'm going to go in depth into this connection between volume and price action and help you understand exactly what's happening, when, where, and why, and how you can take advantage of it inside your own trading. Now, it doesn't matter if you're trading stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies. You're a day trader, a swing trader, even a position trader, doesn't matter. The relationship between volume and price action is consistent throughout all assets and all time frames. You could have very well identified exactly what I did on whatever chart you were trading today. So click that link below this video. I'll see you in the training webinar. We will take this to the next level, get these indicators up on your screen, and give you access to the Hawkeye Volume Mastery Series, where these in-depth concepts are going to be taught to you on all different assets and all different time frames. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you in the training webinar.